Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and welcome to the start of the DynaHead build. I'll be building this kit for the Tamiya build-offs hosted by Steve O.D. This is the DynaHead 6x6 1/18th scale radio-controlled off-road vehicle. It's based on the G601TR chassis, and it has portal axles. This thing is capable of 4-wheel steering, so I will be setting that up. On the side of the box, there's a good-looking view of the chassis. You can also see all the gears. Man, it's a lot of gears. Also says that it can take on 40-degree incline, so we're going to have to test that out. So on the inside, here is everything. We got our tires here, and they feel okay, a little soft. Not really the greatest tread pattern for off-roading, but okay. Various parts trees. Your portal pieces come in red. Here are all the gears, plastic gears, but these should be okay. Here's the 540 motor that comes with the kit. More plastic bushings to add to my collection. Black mag wheels, and the body. This is all one piece, and it actually looks like it's going to be pretty simple to cut out and get assembled. And at the bottom of the box, you have your decals, and you have your instruction manual. And here's a page that just kind of shows you what to do to get the body ready. So I am going to do some upgrades right off the bat. This does not come with an ESC, so I'm going to use the Axial 8E5. You may remember this ESC as the one from my Gravedigger. I'm going to pair that with a 35 turn 540 style motor, and I'm going to throw a 10 amp BEC in there just to be safe because I'm going to run the dual steering. For the servos, I'm going to use the Lewan Soul. These are the 20 kilogram servos, and you can find these on Amazon. Pretty cheap actually, about 20 bucks. Now I'll get everything set up to my Spectrum DX5R with the mixing capability. Get everything set up, and I'll be good to go. Alright guys, so that's about it for the unboxing of the DynaHead. I'll be getting to work on this as soon as possible, and I cannot wait to finish it. It looks like a really fun looking rig. Also curious to see how it performs off-road. Alright, so if you like what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. I'll see y'all soon.